Hello and welcome to Epic and Ellipses. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever read a text and felt confused, lost, or unsure about what exactly is happening, and then realized that this confusion is actually intentional? अगर आपने कभी सोचा हो कि टेक्स्ट समझने में इतना डिफिकल्ट क्यों है, then you are very close to understanding modernism. That feeling of confusion, uncertainty, and disconnection is at the very heart of modernism. Today, we are going to understand modernism, one of the most important movements in English literature. Explained in simple words, especially for BA and MA students, if modernist texts have ever confused you, do not worry. By the end of this video, चीजों के बीच connection बनने लगेगा. What is modernism? Modernism is a major literary movement that developed in the early 20th century, roughly from the 1890s to the 1940s. It emerged as a reaction against Victorian writing, which believed in order, moral clarity, strong values, and neat endings. Modernism, on the other hand, focuses on doubt, change, and experimentation. सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोले तो विक्टोरियन राइटर्स आंसर्स देते थे, लेकिन जो मॉडर्निस्ट राइटर्स हैं वो क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. So, what do we really mean when we talk about modernism? At its core, modernism means breaking away from traditional forms of writing. Writers felt old styles could no longer represent reality honestly, so they began experimenting with new techniques to express confusion, anxiety, and uncertainty. This is why modernist texts feel fragmented and difficult. और ये डिफिकल्टी गलती नहीं है, कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है, ये जानबूझकर करी गई है. The next important question is, why did it begin at all? Modernism began because society itself was changing deeply. People started losing faith in progress, religion, stability, and moral certainty. As belief systems collapsed, literature began reflecting loss, confusion, and anxiety. बेसिकली जब दुनिया अनस्टेबल होती है तब लिटरेचर भी स्टेबल नहीं रह सकता है, राइट? Now let us look at the historical background that led to the modernist movement. There were several major historical and social events that played a crucial role. Industrial revolution, machines, factories, and urbanization changed daily life. People felt reduced to mechanical parts of a system. This created alienation, which became a key modernist theme. प्रोग्रेस बढ़ा पर इंसान अकेला महसूस करने लगा, It became more materialistic. World War I. The war caused massive destruction and loss of life. Writers lost faith in civilization and human progress. This created trauma and disillusionment, shaping modernist writing. इसलिए modernist literature hopeful कम लगता है और disturbed ज़्यादा लगता है, right? I hope you all know when World War I took place. It was from 1914 to 1918. Scientific and intellectual changes. Freud introduced the unconscious mind. Darwin challenged religious beliefs. I hope we have studied it in school as well. Science questioned absolute truth. इंसान सिर्फ रैशनल नहीं है, उसके अंदर अनकॉन्शियसनेस भी होती है. Urbanization. Urban life created emotional isolation. People lived in crowds but felt disconnected. This became a recurring modernist theme. Having understood the background, let us move on to the key ideas of modernism. Make it new. Ezra Pound's phrase, make it new, represents modernism. Writers wanted innovation, not repetition. पुराना follow नहीं करना है, बल्कि नया create करना है. We are recreating something new. Rejection of tradition. Modernists rejected traditional storytelling. No fixed structure, no moral certainty, no clear endings. Life itself felt directionless, and literature reflected that. Focus on the inner mind. Focus shifted to thoughts, memories, and emotions. Often, story बाहर कम होती है, दिमाग के अंदर ज़्यादा चलती है, right? We have noticed it in modernist texts. It is more about characters के thoughts, उनकी mind, उनकी mentality. Fragmentation. Reality is shown as broken and fragmented. Narratives jump in time and meaning. Confusion reflects modern life itself. Let us now discuss the major features of modernist literature. Stream of consciousness. Thoughts are shown as they naturally occur, chaotic and continuous. Woolf and Joyce are famous for this technique. दिमाग logically नहीं सोचता, thoughts flow करते हैं. Fragmented structure. No clear beginning, middle or end. Events appear disconnected. Psychological reality. Focus is on mental states, anxiety, fear, inner conflict. Mind becomes more important than action. Other key features include symbolism, ambiguity, unreliable narrators, and open meanings. Texts don't guide the reader, they challenge the reader. Please remember, जो text होते हैं, they don't guide the reader like older text. They challenge the reader. Now let us look at some major modernist writers. They include James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, T.S. Eliot, W.B. Yeats, Ezra Pound, Franz Kafka, and D.H. Lawrence. For exams, you can remember 3 to 4 of them. Finally, let us understand why modernism is so important. Modernism transformed literature. It allowed writers to express modern anxiety and complexity honestly. Instead of comfort, it offers questions. And questions पूछना ही इसकी strength है. Because it questions everything. It questions everything that is happening around us in the society. To conclude, let us summarize modernism in exam-friendly terms. Modernism is a 20th century literary movement that reacted against Victorian traditions. It focuses on inner consciousness, fragmentation, experimentation, and psychological depth. This was modernism explained in very, very simple words for you guys. For more clear explanations, syllabus-based content and exam-oriented English literature videos, please subscribe to Epic and Ellipses. I'll see you again. Signing off.